every time we go on a freaking road trip. Volume down real quick. Let's see. Good morning, No Revving fam. We are up early. I guess it's not too early, 7:30. Where are we going? We're about to go to Austin.
We're in Eurocharged ATX. It's in Round Rock, Texas.
Okay, yeah, so we're going there to get this C32 tuned, right?
Well, I mean, it's technically already been tuned, but we're getting a pulley installed.
Okay.
A 65mm Eurocharged pulley.
Yeah, a little slow this morning. Once we get towards that way, we'll jump back with you guys and show you what's about to happen. So explain what this is.
Alright. So this is a 65mm Eurocharged clutch pulley. So it still has the bearing and everything in the factory functionality. I want to say the factory one is 74mm or 75mm. So it's decently smaller than the factory one.
Okay.
Should be picking up hopefully 50 wheel.
Okay.
So.
He's still gonna get you there, huh?
No.
You want me to get me?
I think he'll get you in the SRT.
Okay.
That's the hope.
Yeah.
So
all right.
We'll see. Because I think it's supposed to push 340 to the wheels, and my 63 was pushing 365 to the wheels when it stopped.
Oh, okay.
But it was 600 pounds more than this. Okay. So I'm like, should be stock C63 speed.
Black looks good. Man, every time we go on a freaking road trip.
Oh shit, what happened?
Whenever
that car cut us off and went in the shoulder, it threw up a big chunk.
Oh shoot!
That's always my car too.
Just like last time.
Yeah.
Well. Is it cool to drive?
Yeah.
How bad is that hood? Like, is it?
Horrible.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Like, the park is probably.
Like the turning radius is so aggressive when we come in the shop, the wheel kind of lost traction. But I was close to the wall too, so I thought I was like, did I scrape it? I was like walking around like trying to check. But yeah, you can't even see where it drops off.
I mean, it was so freaking long. And the paint, I mean, this paint looks amazing.
Even though it's dirty, it's like,
Oh, okay. So is that hard to install or no?
my assumption would be probably take out this bolt, and then take the belt off. And there's a tool that locks it so they can get this nut off, and then it comes off.
I think so. It looks good. The work. All the work y'all did.
Got a big leak. When I was telling you we need a valve cover gasket. See the puddle?
Oh, snaps. We gotta do that?
Yeah. Pretty simple job though.
It's kind of
We
easy.
just gotta move all the coils and then the intake and then the bolts come right off.
Okay.
To change the supercharger oil, you need to get a new seal or how?
No. So yeah, so I mean, no. Shy of like taking the supercharger off the car and taking it apart, which is one. I mean, that's one way to do it, of course. And that's not a bad thing to do because there's lots of other things you can replace at the time. But just to change the fluid, you're gonna need to suck out the old fluid and then just pump. You're gonna need a syringe. Okay. You know what I mean, with a flexible hose on it.
I heard they were sealed, but I wasn't sure if that was.
Yeah, so I mean, there is, but you wouldn't. So the gears are in here. This is where the gear drive is, right? So there's oil. I mean, that's where the oil is. What you see right here, there's a seal right between there. Okay, you can't get that seal. That does not exist. You have to reuse it. Okay. We use it. We copper coat them and then basically put like this copper spray on it just to make the seal good at sealing again because you really should reuse seals. You don't have a choice. It doesn't exist. You don't have a choice, right? Yeah. So the oil's stored inside there, but yeah, I mean you would suck it out and then pump it back in. Opposed to, I mean, go ahead, or you're pulling the blower off to disassemble the entire blower.
Yeah. Hard pass.
So, yeah, I mean,
yeah. For sure.
That's not an a-hole.
Well,
he's gonna. Oh.
What?
I'm getting pulled over, probably for no front plate.
Howdy.
Hello.
I'm off Police Department. The reason I'm making contact with you is you don't have a front license plate, okay? Texas is a 2-plate state. The other reason is your friend was going a little fast. I saw y'all behind him. So I want you to let him know to slow down. I just want to let you know you need to get a front license plate.
Yes,
It's
sir.
that simple, man. We good?
Yes, sir.
Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
So we get pulled over because Eddie was the one that's acting the nut. But luckily we didn't get a ticket. He just like, it's a front license plate. You know how that goes in Texas. When they can't get you for anything, they want to get you for the license plate. He went that way. So now we're gonna try to get some gas. Good grief.
I was more of my power band this time than last time.
Oh. Okay. So the difference is you put
last time he had a head start.
Oh, okay.
This time we actually hit at the same time. Next time I'm gonna give him a hit and we'll see if that changes.
Let's try this again. Well, that's what an extra horsepower, 100 horsepower will do for you, huh? Yeah.
So he needs to just grab the SRT. That would be a much better race.
So what's the word? Does it feel quicker?
Oh, way quicker.
Yeah. We're definitely not sucking you up as quick.
Yeah, I was able to see that. Once I catch Mason off guard, I could see how it takes him a little longer to catch me up.
Yeah.
Now. So
it's worth it, huh?
Oh, it's definitely worth it.
Cool.
It's definitely worth it.